Hey Jan, I just placed a swarm trap probably about maybe an hour and a half ago. So a couple of frames there, about 5 frames, black drawn foundation. So yeah, she's pretty black, and just got a bit of my swarm lure that I use, make myself. They're just old queens, as you can see. Sound pretty mental. So it won't be long, I reckon. There'll be something coming to check that out. And just a box I made. As I said, 5 frames in it, and it's going pretty mental. Just wait and see. I reckon probably today or tomorrow we should have a swarm of that. There's no doubt about it. It's all going, when it goes like this, there's definitely something going to come soon.